Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 392 20th Anniversary in black clear coat. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, trailer tow package, AEV upfit logistics, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touch screen display, navigation, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, hinge gate reinforcement by MOPAR, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P47648.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.